My name is Sukhbinder Barn and I'm a senior lecturer in marketing. The fun of being in a classroom, engaging with students, having a conversation where we're not owners of information and content. And to me, that fundamentally is what teaching at Middlesex is about, and that's what excites me about the classroom.
Learning different modules. So my favorite one so far has been digital marketing. So I've learned like the different skills of digital marketing, different kind of job roles of what you can go into, basically learning all the skills that you need.
Being based in London, we've got access to major ad agencies. And so we link closely with a number of these where we have people either come in to speak to our students or we take students out to the agency so they can kind of get a sense of a day in the world of an ad agent.
Our module is constantly being updated, especially with marketing. It's something that's constantly changing month by month. Trends are coming in and out and they're keeping up to date with them. Even this year, our modules have completely changed, and I think that's good because it keeps us up to date to the real world.
One of the things that we really want to do is, and we absolutely do, is create assessments which aren't just about repeating knowledge, repeating models. Students hate group work, which is great, but we make them work in groups. We make them take responsibility for their own individual learning. Problem solving plays a really important part. So does conflict and negotiation between each other, because these are the things that happen in the workplace.
Everyone is very friendly, you definitely feel safe and included in every discussion, which is definitely a really great feeling. Lecturers try to be as inclusive as possible. Many of them have contacted me directly and asked if there are any adjustments that I want them to make.
As a Midlander from Wolverhampton, I'm actually so envious of students that they can come and study here. We're at one of the most vibrant, majestic cities in the world, and literally from where we are, it's a 30-minute journey into central London. If someone ever asked me, am I envious of students, that would be the reason why, because they've got access to this fantastic city.